For the Greek working class, it's very difficult to find out what their feelings are. The society is split. The majority of the society is thinking that the name is a serious issue, that the Republic of Macedonia should not be called Macedonia, should be called something else which is not clear. The working class are more to the left, they are more, they accept, they are more indifferent on the name. However, the state ideology and the parties and the mass media try to impose on people's minds that, okay, name is not so important. Important things is that this state will claim territory or populations of the Greek state. That's why they are trying to do. Name is not so important, okay, but we have to stop Republic of Macedonia calling itself Macedonia, because that would mean war or annexations. People are very, very volatile to mass media. They can accept even the most sheer stupidity like that. But then if somebody else comes and tells them, okay, is it logical what we are thinking? Then especially the workers can turn easily, but you have to be there and talk to them. This argument of Macedonia threatening Greece militarily, politically, collapses immediately. But then they produced another argument. Okay, Macedonia cannot do it. They do not say Macedonia, they say Skopje. They cannot do it, but if they make an alliance with Turkey, which is a very strong capitalist country with a big military machine, then it could be dangerous. And then we answer to them, okay, we try to impose to these peoples a change. We already imposed the change in the flag, a change in the constitution. Now we are trying to impose more changes in their constitution. Maybe you should impose a particular article on their constitution that will say, we will never make alliance with Turkey. But this is stupidity, you see. We cannot do it with the countries that surround Greece, because the other countries are even bigger and they have claims. Albania, for example, what would you say? That we do not recognize Albania because with its constitutional name, because it has claims on the Cham minority that used to exist in Greece. NATO was always NATO was created in order to confront Soviet Union. It's a war machine. It's a dangerous war machine. Even after the collapse of the Soviet Union and the Eastern Bloc, normally it should abolish itself. If there is no enemy for which you were created for, you should abolish yourself. But this didn't happen. NATO made aggressive, only aggressive, and no defensive wars. They intervened all around the world with catastrophic consequences for the people. NATO should be abolished tomorrow, yesterday. And for sure there is no solution for the people. for example, it's not a solution for safety, it's not a solution for peace. For example, two countries in the area, Greece and Turkey, are old and founding members of NATO. Although, however, you have a danger of war at any moment with very bad, very dangerous results for all the people of the Balkans, not only for Greeks and Turks. It's understandable that people fall into this deception. With so many wars, the last 100 years, people try to grasp somewhere, to find a solution to stop the wars forever. European Union looks more peaceful and is more peaceful than NATO and American imperialism. However, it's not the solution because in reality it divides people. For example, Great Britain was, it is until now a member of the European Union, but this didn't work. So people, it doesn't matter for which reason, but people voted for them to leave the European Union. At the same time, the Scottish people want to leave Great Britain. In Spain, in the state of Spain, Catalonia people want to leave Spanish state because European Union do not unify people, do not create conditions of for people to get better lives, to get higher income and so on. These policies of neoliberalism, although appear peaceful and unifying people in Europe, in reality they are not peaceful and they are not unifying them at all. It's true that Macedonia is threatened by stronger nationalisms. One of the strongest, the strongest in this case is the Greek nationalism. Well, I should say Greek capitalism, because it's not only, the threats are not only rhetoric or words, they are actions. As a revolutionary from Greece, my first task is to fight nationalism in Greece, especially this nationalism that is turning against the Republic of Macedonia, by supporting the right of the people of Macedonia to have their constitutional name. This is an urgent solution that has to be imposed, that is Macedonia to be recognized by its constitutional name, because then it's not only that by this way we stop the threat of wars in the Balkans, because it will not be just one war if this name issue is not resolved. It's also a matter of turning workers in every country, in Greece also, in turning them to face their real problems, to forget this poisonous nationalist frenzy against Macedonian people, and turn and confront their real enemies who are inside our country. It's the people, the class and the parties who impose these austerity measures against them.